In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group in Affinity Designer. Grouping is a simple but powerful way to keep your artwork organized. It lets you move, resize, and transform multiple objects as if they were one, which is perfect for logos, icons, and complex layouts where you want consistent control without selecting the same pieces over and over. Start by opening the Affinity Designer app on your computer. With your document open, make sure you can see the objects you want to work with on the canvas. If your workspace looks busy, consider zooming in a bit so you can accurately see what you're selecting. You'll get the best results if the Move tool is active, which ensures you're selecting objects rather than editing their nodes. Next, select all the shapes you want to group. Click the first object, then hold Shift and click any additional objects to add them to your selection. If your shapes are close together, you can also drag a loose rectangle around them with the Move tool to select them in one sweep. Prefer working in the Layers panel? Hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac and click the layer names you want. Whichever method you choose, make sure all intended shapes are highlighted so you know they're part of the selection. If something won't select, check whether the layer is locked or hidden and adjust it before continuing. With your objects selected, right-click to open the context menu. On a trackpad, a two-finger click does the same thing, and on Mac, you can also hold Control while clicking. Right-clicking directly over one of the selected shapes ensures you're targeting the exact selection you've made. From the context menu, click Group. Instantly, Affinity Designer wraps your selected items into a single group. You'll notice one bounding box around the entire set, and in the Layers panel, your objects appear inside a group entry. From here, you can move, scale, rotate, or duplicate the entire group in one go, which keeps everything aligned and saves you time. Need to fine-tune something inside the group later? You can expand the group in the Layers panel and select the specific element you want, or simply double-click a shape on the canvas to edit it within the group. When you're done, click outside the group to exit. For speed in the future, remember that Ctrl+G on Windows or Command+G on Mac groups selected items, and Ctrl+Shift+G or Command+Shift+G ungroups them. Don't forget to save your work to keep your changes, that's all there is to it. Open Affinity Designer, select your shapes, right-click, and choose Group. With this workflow, your designs stay tidy, consistent, and easy to manage.